lovelies, welcome to Sunday Style Guide. Today is going to be a voiceover video about Prime wardrobe because I am currently cleaning my office and can't do a sit down video right now. So we are going to talk about Prime wardrobe. Like I said, this is a service from Amazon Prime where you can choose up to 8 items, you only pay for what you keep, and you can return everything else. I do like this for the ease of use, but one of the things I will say is there's not as much variety in pricing. There's not as much variety in brands or anything like that, especially in the plus size section, as there is in something like ThredUp, for instance. So ThredUp has a similar one, but you do have to pay $10 basically as a deposit, but it does get put towards whatever you're going to keep. This one you do not pay anything up front because of course Amazon has your credit card on file, so they will just charge you if you don't return, charge you for the things you don't return. So again, like I said, I did like the fact that you were able to try multiple things, multiple brands. They even have accessories, and they have accessories, purses, things like that, that would be useful to sort of see, oh, okay, does this fit my lifestyle? Does this fit my wardrobe? And I did like that. So here's a couple of the things that I picked up. This was a blue, it's actually a hoodie. It's sort of like a collapsible hoodie. It's nice. It has a really sort of nylon feel in the hoodie, and then the upper sleeves do have sort of like this fishnet. I call it like a ventilated sleeve. It's really nice. It's very cooling. It is really, really comfortable. The blue part is cotton, or it's like a cotton blend. It feels really nice. It is on the longer side, so it covers sort of my my belly, and in the back it does sort of like cover the part of your bum, especially if you're a shorter person. This would be ideal for somebody who is plus size or very, very tall. It would be a great sort of sporty look for you. And I also wore this with the Amazon Essential plus size skinny jeans. I got mine in 30W. If you are like me, these are going to be a little too big in the thigh. They're going to be sort of, you're just going to look like you have saddlebags basically if you don't cuff the jeans. So I usually always have that problem with every pair of jeans. And so what I have to do is I usually have to sort of pull down the extra fabric, cuff it at the ankle so that I have some sort of slim line, but it normally doesn't work out that great. It's really difficult for me to find a pair of skinny jeans that are truly worth it. To me, the only brand I've found that really fits well in that sense is the Old Navy Rockstar ones. These are not like that. They're not built the same way. They are very inexpensive. You do need to wash them a couple of times though before they feel nice enough to really wear. Which is not the case with these next ones. These are the women's wide waist blackout cotton capri leggings. These are fantastically comfortable. They are white. I got the white ones and I am currently wearing them now, and I am very comfortable. I did get mustard on them already because I ate breakfast before sitting down to voice this. And I'm not really that concerned because I'm not going to really wear them out of the house. They don't really look see-through. I'm in natural daylight right now and doesn't look see-through, so I'd have to see what they look like under fluorescent light. I wouldn't necessarily wear black underwear with something like this, just in case, but usually leggings, I'm wearing them underneath a skirt or underneath a dress, so it's not, I usually don't wear leggings just on their own, or if it's going to be with a tunic or something that like covers most of me. I'm just not really a fan. I'm not a fan of the look of, you know, leggings and like a capri or a crop top. That's just not me. It's not my style. But if it is you, you know, maybe be conscious of that. This is one of my favorite pieces I got. This is by Lee Jeans, and it is a flannel sort of like camp shirt almost, and it is a button down. It feels really soft and really nice, even without washing it first. It was just a beautiful color. The maroons come off really pretty. I love the way I think this will go really well into the fall as well. And I also just love how it looks nice with the sleeves all the way down, and it looks nice the way she has it here with them sort of cuffed at the elbow. I forgot what an elbow was called for a second. Did you ever do that where you just, yeah, anyway. So I got a lot of compliments on this. The flannel is actually very, very thin, and so it's nice and cool. It's not at all, you would think, oh, I'm not gonna wear flannel during the summer. This actually you could wear, you know, as long as it's under like 80 degrees. I did pick up some accessories. This was the crescent pave pendant necklace. It was so funny because I accidentally wore this necklace backwards for, I don't know, 3/4 of a day. And I was like, oh, this doesn't look like it did in the pictures. I was like, where's the little black part with the sparkles? Because on the back, it just looks gold. It doesn't look, you know, like that. And I was like, oh my God, what's wrong with them? They didn't put the right picture. And of course, I was wearing it backwards like a prize idiot. So just word to the wise, this is the front of the necklace. Yeah, just it was a moment. And I also got these earrings. I love these types of earrings where they're kind of like a little bit dangly because I'm on the phone usually all day. And if I wear studs, then my ears get sore because they're pushing up against the phone all day. So this is sort of nice where you have sort of like that dangle and it's really pretty. I really do like these. They're not too heavy. These are the golden pink ones. They also come in a blue and amethyst color. And I'm thinking that I might actually want the amethyst. I might actually want the amethyst and the green ones. I wish the green was a little bit darker green, like more of an emerald. But because we're in summer, you know, pastel-y colors, it's really pretty. This one, I had mixed feelings about. This is the Champion sort of strappy sports bra. When I put it on, it gives really great support. However, if you've ever worked out in a sports bra, you know that by the time you're done working out and you're sweaty and tired and you just want to get in the shower, I felt like I was in Houdini training camp trying to get out of this bra. Like, I felt like Harry Houdini invented it to trap me in this, and I had to have Tarek help me get out of it. I think it's because I have to wear it a few times for it to kind of loosen up to be that, but who knows. There was another bra by Glamorize that I purchased, and this was one that clasped in the front, a front clasping bra. Usually I don't like these types of bras because the front snaps, or the front closures will sort of dig into your skin. I really actually do like this one because it doesn't do that. There's a sort of little protective flap like in the front. And it doesn't have any wire. It is very comfortable. And it wasn't like, it was very well priced. It wasn't insanely priced. I think it was like $20 or $22, which for a bra, if you know bras, is really good. Lovelies, those were the 8 pieces that I picked up from the Prime wardrobe, and I just wanted to go ahead and share those with you. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.